Our employees are our number one. So when you actually look at the overall company as a whole, from the products to the way we do things, I think the way we support our employees is our most important aspect of our business.
We do have this idea of family values. I'm obviously not part of the family. Sometimes I feel like Paul is my brother, but we also try to pass that down to people.
We all try to get along and collaborate with each other, and I don't know, I can't say a bad thing about anybody here.
I've always had a passion for this company because I see what it's done for our family and what it's done for the extended family of our employees that have been here so long.
Keep your head down, trust in us, you'll grow. I believe firmly in trying as best we can to promote from within.
I've grown a lot, both personally and professionally while I've been here. And some of that is me that I took on myself, but a lot of it has been Kinter.
I took another 3D class for CAD, and that kind of led to kind of all this that you see here.
What we do differently is that honesty, that integrity, that culture of taking care of each other. This is one big family.
The care that we show our employees, they show that same care to the customer.
This place will continue to go, not just for John White or my family, for all the people that are here.
I couldn't have asked for a better group, more willing to help than the team that we have in place.
At the end of the day, we're creating parts. We've got the same parts in our catalog. We can get down to a price where it needs to be, but I think family environment is huge, and I think the customers feel that when they engage in relationships with Kinter.